Welcome back to the El Yucateco YouTube channel, everybody. My name is Mike, and today I've got another awesome side dish for you that's going to go perfect for your next holiday or special occasion. And it's coming up right now. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We really appreciate having you here. If this is your first time here, or you've been here before and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider hitting that button down there and clicking the bell to get notifications anytime we release new content here on the channel. We've got great recipes coming out week after week, and we don't want you to miss out on any of that. Speaking of recipes, let's get into today's recipe. This is a sweet potato casserole, and we are going to incorporate the El Yucateco Caribbean sauce to this recipe. To get started, you just need a baking sheet covered with foil and about 3 pounds of sweet potatoes. Now we're going to get these in the oven at about 400 degrees for approximately 1 hour to soften these potatoes. So we let these sweet potatoes go for about an hour. This took a little bit longer. It's going to vary. It just depends on the size of the potatoes and so on. Just make sure that they're fork tender. When they're fork tender, they're ready to be removed from the oven. Once you take these out of the oven, allow them to cool maybe 10-15 minutes, just enough so you can handle them and peel the skin. And reduce your oven temperature to 350 degrees because that's what we need it at for the next phase. So let's get these peeled. So we've removed all the skin from the sweet potatoes and we've transferred these into a bowl for mixing. So we're going to start by just giving these a quick smash. Now let's add the rest of these ingredients. Softened butter, 1 egg, brown sugar, salt, vanilla extract, cinnamon, and some El Yucateco Caribbean, which just goes outstanding with this. That's going to add a whole nother element of flavor to this dish. Now we just want to gently mix this until it's smooth. And there we go. That's the consistency you're looking for. Now let's get this transferred into a baking dish. We're not even done yet, and this smells incredible. The next step is to get this in the oven for about 30 minutes at 350 degrees. Let's do that. 30 minutes has gone by, and it's now time to get into the final part of this recipe. We're just going to add a single layer of marshmallows to the top of this. So once we have our nice thin layer of marshmallows on top, it's time to put this back in the oven for approximately 10 to 15 minutes at 350 degrees just to get these marshmallows melted. I'll see you in a few minutes. So we just wanted to brown those marshmallows on top. This took about 12 to 14 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. When the marshmallows are nice and brown on top and melted, you're going to know it's ready to take out of the oven. Then just let it cool for a little bit and it'll be time to serve. So this has had just a few minutes to cool. It's time to go ahead and get into the taste test. I always like to give you those really good food shots. Now let me go ahead and dig in. Cheers, everybody. So that's incredible, just like it was when I tested this recipe. And this is just one example of how our wide variety of different sauces can be incorporated in just about any recipe to kick up the flavor. Before I let you go, don't forget to check out all our social media platforms. Make sure you use hashtag King of Flavor. If you post any of your own recipes, who knows, maybe we'll share it on one of our social media platforms. I'd like to thank you for your time today. I always appreciate it. Take care. Till next time, I'll see you on the next video.